investor that is willing to buy the house cash, and they may take a little bit less money on it. However, they don't have to get foreclosed. Another reason sellers actually decide to sell is because the property's in a different state and they're just tired of being an out-of-state landlord. As you know, having properties that you're the manager and the landlord of, it's not always easy, and sometimes it's even harder if you're out of state. So sometimes out-of-state landlords just get fed up and tired with dealing with all the issues from somewhere else, so they just decide to sell the property to another investor for cash. So you have retail sale, and then you have cash or an off-market sale. Sellers typically prefer cash offers because they greatly reduce the risk that the sale will stall or it will fall through because of lender complications. Cash sales tend to be much faster, right? You could close in a week, you could close in 2 weeks and get your money, as opposed to waiting for the whole process of putting it on the market. Potentially avoiding realtor commissions can be exceptionally motivating as well, right? Usually you don't pay commissions when you're selling the cash sale. And these are just some of the reasons that some sellers would consider selling cash. If you're looking to sell your property cash, or you're looking to evaluate a property, you know who to call.